In this digital marketplace, Xiaomi is rolling with its amazing devices and Mi Band is one of them. And what Xiaomi is making for the future band, that we'll be talking in this video, including Mi Band 3 review. After Mi Band 2, they have made Mi Band 3 and here it is. What still end to know about Xiaomi Mijia Hey band? So let's start it. Weightless, this device has a massive change than Band 2 in terms of shapes, but it has some difficulties. Has found like touch is not working that smoothly, especially when you are going to swipe it. It's look much smarter than previous version. In more features, you can find some features like Find My Phone and Auto Respond or Auto Answer, Stopwatch as well, blah blah. The capsule size and the shapes is far better for the upcoming Mijia band. Is far better, and for the upcoming Mijia band is having massive changes than Mi Band 3. At the end of this video, I'll show you a small demo video of Mijia Hey band where you will get some more ideas about the future. Reading the message is a dream for Xiaomi and they are still working to bring the services with the Mijia Hey. So in this device, that is the main focus for that. See below link given in the description box for more about the new band. Please share this video if you are a sufferer of Mi Band 2 and 3. Thanks for watching.